Here's the other side. We got the back corner here with the damage. These are just fixers. Some of this is just fixer-upper temporarily, I think. That's not too bad. A little moisture there, but that's where that was sitting a lot on this side. They got a plug in here for the window. That's good, that's good. Chain plates there, that's nice to see.
Well, this side looks much better.
Yeah, and then we got the damage up at the front here. Again. Yeah. I wonder how thick that is. Not very. You can tell that's just a very light patch. That's going to have to be removed and replaced. Yeah. Well, there you go. Okay, let's see inside here. Inside.
I'm going up.
Oh, you're going to go up there? Okay.
You gotta watch. Look at this.
Oh yeah, it's missing a rung.
Yeah. How apropos.
Yeah, there she goes. The brave lady doing the first steps onto the boat.
Oh, she looks much better up here.
Good. Make sure you wipe your feet off.
Old stuff.
Get a good view from here. Carry on, lad. Step on the glass, like on the hard deck, as soon as you can.
Oh, on the fiberglass?
Yeah, but that's okay. You'll be all right on the
Better than
trampoline.
that?
Yeah, you'll be all right on it.
On the net?
Yeah, you'll be on it. All right. Yeah, that's a trampoline, they call that. All right, I'm gonna stop this and